Three quick AI hits. Export controls pulled a frontier model mid-deployment. OpenRouter shipped model blending. And HN weighed in on ditching the cloud for local code. All three dropped in the last 24 hours. One's a policy shock, one's a tooling shift, one's ground truth signal from practitioners. The US government forced Anthropic to suspend Claude Mythos 5 and Fable 5 under an export control directive, served at 5:21 p.m. on a Friday. The directive frames the models as a cybersecurity concern, which sets a precedent that any frontier model can be pulled from market mid-deployment. If you are building on Anthropic APIs, this is not hypothetical API risk anymore. It happened. OpenRouter launched Fusion, a single endpoint that blends outputs from multiple frontier models in real time. This isn't fallback routing. The blending mechanism runs in parallel and optimizes across quality, cost, or latency depending on what you configure. For engineers building model-agnostic production pipelines, this is the abstraction layer worth evaluating. An ask, HN, thread asking whether anyone actually replaced Claude or GPT with a local model for daily coding, hit 849 points. The top responses surface specific model names, hardware configs, and IDE integrations, but also honest breakdowns of where local models still fall short. If you want practitioner data instead of benchmark marketing, that thread is worth reading. One through line. The API dependency assumptions baked into most AI stacks got stress tested hard this week by regulators, by new routing abstractions, and by engineers quietly moving workloads off the cloud. Subscribe for the full breakdowns on each of these stories.